gonna need is probably all this right here. I got a Stanley mechanics tool set, just a little bit of everything in there. Also, yeah, and high on the list of things, old Black & Decker 12 volts. It works still, so I'm still using it. So with a high-speed screw extractor on the end of it. I think this one's like a 1/4 inch. What we first did is went around through there. I already have it disassembled, but this was kind of an afterthought. First is we take the backing off of it. So I stick that in reverse, and each little spot that has screws, and that, I'm gonna mimic it. Reverse those out. So there's my little pile of screws. Took off the little backing plate around the neck. Well, first thing off, before you do anything else, you better take and unplug it, because you don't want to get shocked. So first things first. So unplug that. A lot of people, they recommend you take these cords off. I'm not gonna do that. It's a self-help video. You do it how you want to do it. It's all up to you. So after I got that off, pulled the little lint trap out. Took in, have 2 screws here. Those are Phillips heads. Back them out. If you back them out, should be able to pull off the lint trap here. And good Lord, it's loaded down with all kinds of crap. So I took just a little brush here, and I'm gonna go over all the little holes and knock all the little lint and stuff out of there. Marked off the lint. I'm gonna tell you, we're gonna put a replacement kit on here. It's gonna be fun. Yep. But yeah, highly recommend, while you got it broke down, tore apart, that you get all the lint out of the lint trap. Going over the front of it. Stick it down in there. Left or right. I'm knocking it all down into the bottom. And this one's like pretty bad. So what we got down here at the bottom and all over the floor is a bunch of nasty lint. That's not cotton candy. Kind of looks like a rat or a mouse or something like that. But no, that's probably mostly pet hair and dander and whatever now else it is. But there's a lot of junk off in there. So got my little bucket of lint here. We're gonna save that, maybe recycle it. Yeah, maybe not. Probably just gonna throw that away. But oh my God, yeah, all that come out of the back of my dryer right there. I have 5 cats and a humongous dog. So yeah, I believe they were saving it. Yeah, got all that lint. I'm gonna put that in there. Continue knocking anything else out that I can knock out. Like I said. And then I have a kit after we get done cleaning all this crap out of here. Have a kit. I hope you're not getting too dizzy. Yeah. Yeah. Got all that. I'll make it like a brand new Sheen. Here. Her. My name's Shane, and I love fixing things. So, tend to save me a lot of money. Sometimes. Be careful, these edges are kind of sharp. Lord have mercy, I'm gonna have to turn it upside down. Ugh. So, yeah, everybody's wearing a mask now, so might be a good idea when you do something like this. All that dust is flying in the air to don your masks. Phew. Definitely need one right now. I think I'm gonna go put mine on. Whew. Hey JoJo. What we got here is a high-speed daddy surgical mask. Got that straight from the doctor's office. Yeah. Okay. And here are what causing the problem. JoJo, we got lots of that kind of, wait, hold on a second. Let's kind of see, match it up and see if it looks like JoJo. See. JoJo, hey, does that kind of resemble like your excess fur? Maybe we can put it back on you. Come on. Come here, Joe. We're gonna see if it matches you. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. See if it matches you, JoJo. See. Don't look at it like that. It ain't that bad. Look at it. Want to smell it? Wear it on your head. There we go. Yeah. JoJo, you can have your hair back. Okay? Alright.